Power distribution with DUPLICON, a rugged and flexible plug system. The metal housing is resistant to vibration and protected according to IP67. DUPLICON is cascadable and the change of line direction just unique. This bus power transmits a 690 volt line current over 7 by 4 square millimeter conductors. The steel clip interlock guarantees easy installation and safe operation. A highlight is the pluggable PCB connection, and thanks to its compatibility with ST Combi, the housing connections become even more flexible. Power distribution easy, flexible and rugged with DUPLICON from Phoenix Contact.